Michael from Ryver, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your notifications to make sure that you don't miss anything throughout the day. It's a great way to stay really productive because it allows Ryver to do a lot of that work for you, so you're not having to check things all the time and not having to navigate around a lot. It will just take care of a lot of things for you. So first of all, I'm going to click on the notifications area here. This is where your notifications come in. So after you have those set up, these are where they come in, and you can click on these to manage them and whatnot. But first you'll need to set those up. So I'm going to do that using the settings option up the top here. And the first thing that's going to ask you about is how you want to be notified. Do you want to be notified by sounds, and what options there are around how you want to be notified? So the first one is, as a default, when you first log into your Ryver account, you're going to be sent notifications via email to whatever email address you have associated with your Ryver user profile. Now this is a great option because it allows you to get those emails when you're offline and respond to those emails from your email inbox, and it will go back to Ryver as a response to whatever you were being notified about. Now, you can also turn that off. I actually choose to turn that off because I don't like getting more emails. I only want to use Ryver. So in this instance, I'm going to turn that off so I won't get any of those emails. But for some people, that really works well, so you can pick and choose what you want to do there. The other options are you can have it play a sound, and you have a variety of different sounds you can choose. You can have it play a sound on new notifications, and then there's some other options to choose. They're pretty self-explanatory. I won't go into those now. So after you've picked how you want to be notified about things happening in Ryver, then you're going to choose what you want to be notified about. And you get to choose about open forums and private teams and what you want to be notified about there. And really, it's just this option in the middle, so you can pick and choose what things you want to be notified about. So you can, for this particular open forum called All Hands, in the topics, I want to be notified about what option here. So I can be notified when a new topic is created, or when new topics and replies happen. That's the automatic one that you're set up on. Or you can only be notified about topics that you're participating in. So that's one option. It's the same with tasks, so you get those options as well. And then you can also be notified while pinned. So new chat messages will show up as in-app alerts, so you can check that box or not. So that's really it. You could do that in all of your open forums and in your private teams. Select those notification options of what you want to be notified about. And earlier I showed you how you want to be notified about and the choices there. So I hope that's been helpful. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for using Ryver.